Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, through this video, I will show you how to change category of items in Craigslist. If you need to edit or delete your Craigslist post, here's how to do it. Open your browser and go to www.craigslist.org. Log into your Craigslist account. Once you are on your account homepage, find your post under My Post. Click on Edit next to the post you want to change. This will bring you to the Edit Posting screen where you can make any changes you'd like. If you need to change the category, you can do that here too. After making your edit, click Continue to confirm them. And that's it. Your changes are now live. Happy editing! Hit that like, share and subscribe button for more informative content. And thank you for watching.